Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning MRU Hyderabad. Today I am presenting big data technology. First, myself Dr. Veracity Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Data Science Department, Mallareddy University, Hyderabad. My presentation outline introduction of big data, characteristic of big data, technology of big data, applications of big data, challenge of the application, and future trend of big data. First, what is the big data? Firstly, what is the big data? Firstly, what is the big data means? This is a big data. Big data, big data is extremely large data sets appli- and applications um, detection of the detection of traffic control, detection of many applications. There are three things, three type of the big data: structure, unstructured, and semi-structured. Structure, big data is a size is a TB to PB, and big data is a not a processing in upon laptop. It is a very large amount of the data. It is a required the imagine S3, and it is required the Hadoop. There are the so many tools I have used. The big data, mainly there are the two type of the difference. A small data and big data. Small data is a very size, byte, KB, MB, GB, and big data is a TB and PB and ZB. This is a main difference. And then in a small data, what are the storage? The storage, this is a RAM. But this data, where is it storing? The storing HDFS. And processing, this is a processor, laptop processor, but this is a ER and MapReduce. This is a any program run is a small data, so all program is a Java, but this is a huge map reduced a Spark. Then it is how to manage, how to run, how to program. So this is a main huge. And big data is a amount of data that need the special tool to store, manage, analyze, and data set. There are various 5B: variety, velocity, veracity, many type of the this type of the big data. Okay, and next slides. Just big data is a technology. Big data, this, and processor need powerful processor computing system to handle large the data. Storage like Hadoop, cloud server data warehouse, because traditional database cannot hold such massive value. As it must be processed at very high speed, real time extract this stuff. And next slide. Traditional data versus big data. In these slides, this is a main difference between the traditional data and big data. Traditional feature. Uh, Traditional data means old data, and big data this data, and a small to moderate and high amount of data, TB, PB, and processing tool RDBMS and Hadoop and Spark. And data type structure only. This is all type of structure, unstructured, and semi-structure. A speed slower and higher speeds required. This type. That's right. In these slides, in this figure, it is a big data is a work in network, collection, storage, research, analysis, volume, visualization, cloud. Where network have used, so it is require the highest speed of network collection. It is where is a different type of the data collection, camera and sensor. This is a social media account, is it? And so, storage. Big data is a storage in HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. Uh, Out there, I have many data nodes, name node, secondary node. Data node is a only files attached to the file. Data node is a actual value and research and purpose, analysis purpose, root purpose. Okay, this type of characteristic of big data. And Hagem, in the slides, high P value, high amount of data generated every second. Facebook generates 4 petabytes per day. Velocity, a speed at which data is generated, collected, and processed. Variety, different type of data, structure, unstructured, semi-structure. Image, video, logs. Veracity, reliability, and quality. Value of data. Huge inside canister of data. In this slide, big data per data collection, data storage, data processing, data analysis, data visualizations, data security. Okay, some data storage, processing, visualization, security. Okay, for big data, collecting data. Big data is a collecting data by the social media, sensor, transaction, medial record, website, data, storing data. Data is a massive store distributed system like Hadoop, Spark, cloud storage, processing and analysis data. Uh, Big data is powerful processor and parallel computing. Smaller chunks analyzes them quickly. These tools like Apache Spark map reduce process. In these slides, types of big data. There are a structure. A structure is simply a row and column. It is organized way and it is a format SQL database and Excel. And a structure is a mixed the structure and unstructured audio video. This is a text audio video and it recognized. Okay, thank you. Watch the file.